I, the President of Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam, would like to extend my heartiest thanks to all the members of Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam for attending today's press conference. And the main purpose or the main reason for conducting today's press conference is that because yesterday there was an incident that took place in Sukhanjan. So for that reason only we call up the press conference today, and I would like to request the team of Karbi Anglong to take the action as soon as possible against the culprit called Ajay Singh, Raju Tripathi, Rajkumar Rai and Jabru Sinha. Jong si team Karbi Anglong tumlong dong si Jakong do Prute V, the youth of Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam, request the team of Karbi Anglong in order to take against all those 4 culprits. And not only that, I would like to request all the organization or all the association, itu kadokawe association, kadokawe kido anta itu isi vet dora la suapita kot itu jesong nang. And not only that, I would like to request team Karbi Anglong la Ajay Singh, Raju Tripathi, Rajkumar Rai, Jabru Sahatum, a trading license in Thanlap Nangji Puchinitum, Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam in Pen, Team Karbi Anglong Fan Tuning Rilo. And not only that, I would like to request the Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam, the Committee of Bokajan, in order to take the action against this, as well as not only that, I would like to request the team of Karbi Anglong in order to take the action as soon as possible against those 4 culprits, namely called Ajay Singh, Raju Tripathi, Rajkumar Rai, Jabru Sinha. And I would like to request, once again, the team of Karbi Anglong in order to cancel the trading license of Ajay Singh, Raju Tripathi, Rajkumar Rai and Jabru Saha. And not only that, Nilitum Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam ahin pen condemn lo je dak Karbi Anglong long la herapen kewang atum la an Jepang tang tua putak court nitum Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam ahin pen condemn lo je next time la son akhotna ke pawe de jipan. We are requesting the team of Karbi Anglong to take a strong action against all those culprits. Mungkin nitum la communal class lah hai. Panegi pudam kali antam miri tumhan prapjin pen la tumhan aron ateng pen inside vek nangji pusibi the youth of Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam is requesting the team of Karbi Anglong in order to take the useful action against all those 4 culprits. By this, I would like to conclude my word. Thank you.
Litum kalang bom lagi Malong News 24/7 hampang aparman Klarda Kabirta.